Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to select areas in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So if you want to select areas like faces in Blender very fast, so what you have to do, now let's go in wireframe, and now if you press C, now you have this circle, and here you can select, and it's pretty fast. You can use the wheel on your mouse in the middle, and you can select even more or less or very little, and this is pretty fast. And if you press on the middle wheel on the wheel, you press on it, you'll deselect. Now just enter, and now look, it's pretty fast rather than using the select box. So I hope you learn something. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.